Hello and welcome to Billy's World of Crazy, and this is a crazy remodel we are doing right now. And this is my own house, and as you can see, it's rotten, and that is because the previous owners of this property found some rot and decided to cover it up with some OSB and some more OSB. So there were two layers of OSB when we were stripping this out. And it's, for want of a better word, buggered. It's broken. This is the remnants of a floor joist, a 2x10. Looks pretty healthy, huh? So this is why you do not cover up problems, because it creates more problems at a later date. What do you think?
I think it sucks.
I know, right? Now this would have been great if it was somebody else's house and I was getting paid. But because it's my own house, I am not. And it does blow. And they didn't even install the shower correctly. They put it on 2x6s because the floor had rotted away. It is what it is. This is a shit day in the world of Billy's World of Crazy.
Billy's World of Shit.
It certainly is. It's like a shit sandwich. So, I thought I'd share this with you guys before we pull all this out and put it all back in new. And there'll be other videos as we go along. Thanks for watching.